This used to be my biggest stressor. Every morning, I woke up to clutter. Every evening, I went to bed looking at unfinished cleaning. And somehow, no matter how much I cleaned, the mess always came back. Today, this same kitchen takes me less than 2 minutes to reset. The surprising part? I didn't buy expensive organizers. I didn't renovate. I didn't become naturally organized. I simply borrowed one powerful Japanese principle. And it completely changed how I manage my home. Most families think they have a cleaning problem. I thought so too. But the real problem isn't cleaning, it's having too many things competing for your attention. When every surface becomes storage, when every drawer is stuffed, when every cabinet is overflowing, cleaning becomes exhausting. You aren't just wiping a counter. You're moving items first. You're organizing while cleaning. You're making dozens of tiny decisions every day. And those decisions drain your energy. That's why many of us feel tired before the day even ends. Not because we're lazy. Because our environment is demanding too much from us. The Japanese call this concept danshari. Danshari is more than decluttering. It means refusing unnecessary things, letting go of what no longer serves you, and freeing yourself from the emotional attachment to excess. Most decluttering advice focuses on organizing more. Danshari asks a different question: why am I keeping this at all? When I applied this principle to my kitchen, I discovered something surprising. I owned utensils I never used, containers without matching lids, mugs collecting dust, gadgets I hadn't touched in years. Yet I kept saying I didn't have enough space. The truth? I didn't need more storage. I needed less stuff. So I started with one small area. Not the whole kitchen. Just one drawer. And that's the first lesson. Don't try to organize everything at once. Choose one shelf. One drawer. One cabinet. Make progress easy enough that you can start today. Next, ask one simple question. Did I use this in the last year? Not, could I use it someday? Not, what if I need it later? Just one question. Did I actually use it? If the answer is no, it's probably taking up valuable space that could serve you better. Then I applied another principle found in many Japanese homes. Everything must have a home. Every plate. Every spoon. Every container. One place. Because when things don't have a home, they end up on your counters. And counters quickly become clutter magnets. Today, every item in my kitchen has a designated place. Which means cleanup is almost automatic. But here's what surprised me most. The biggest benefit wasn't a cleaner kitchen. It was getting my time back. I save around 15 minutes every evening. 15 minutes may not sound like much. But over a year, that's more than 90 hours. 90 hours with family. 90 hours learning a skill. 90 hours building a side hustle. 90 hours resting. That's the hidden cost of clutter. It doesn't just take space. It steals time. And time is one of the most valuable forms of wealth. A calm home isn't about perfection. It's about creating systems that make life easier. That's what I love most about Japanese-inspired living. Simple habits. Less stress. More time. More intention. And ultimately, a richer life. If you want to master your home and your money with these Japanese-inspired habits, subscribe. We're turning clutter into quiet wealth, one room at a time. And remember, you don't need a bigger kitchen. You need a simpler one.